Good morning. So we're out on the beach. Chippy's already run. I haven't run yet. And we're just about to film a couple of reels, yeah?
Yeah, 2 reels. You will never believe what's inside of this. You see that? That's a yellow watermelon, right? Not a red one like you know, a yellow one inside.
Let's see your basket. Wow! I was collecting the very same mangoes 7 years ago.
Crazy.
For my friend Vicky.
A beautiful summer.
Yeah? Perfect, man.
Is my biscuit?
Yeah, beautiful, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Okay. We need to get all of them. I am back with my famous curry noodles. I'm so obsessed with this recipe. I don't know what it is. Maybe the zestiness of the lime or just the richness of the whole dressing. I don't know, but I've been eating this I think every single day for the past 3 weeks. No kidding, seriously. And I just put it into this. The nori just makes it fantastic. Roll it up and then It's just too good. It's just really too good. The curry dressing is a masterpiece, even if I say it myself. It's just so fantastic. It's rich, but I think it's the lime that makes it, right? We use a lot of lime in this recipe and really brings out the curry. So freaking good. This is a recipe of the 30-day raw food challenge. The challenge has so many of these amazingly good recipes. People are literally raving about them every single day, really. They cannot believe the taste of the fresh raw foods, right? That's what makes it taste so good, because it's all fresh ingredients that will make you feel fresh. If you are not on the 30-day raw food challenge yet, what are you doing? Go to the description right under this video and click in the link at the top, right? And it's going to take you to our website where you'll find all the info about the 30-day raw food challenge and these amazing recipes. Cheers! Messy, but great.
Alright, just to give you a little tour of where we live. This is the restaurant and the co-working space at the resort where we live. And it is middle of the month, which means we're doing
Accounting.
late accounting.
Sitting around a little, entering some numbers.
Sounds good.